You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French actress. We'll be looking at how to say more French names and celebrity names as well. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. For reference, in French, in France it's said as Juliette Binoche. Juliette Binoche. It's easy. Pretty similar in English. Juliette, you could say Juliette Binoche. Juliette Binoche. From French, Juliette Binoche. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.